Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are gonna see how can you block or how to block spam calls on Android or iPhone. So first of all, you have to go to your phone and go to a specific number that you think is spam and then tap on the three lines, and here you will find the option of block. So you can block or report the spam. And if you go back and go to the three dots on the top right and go to settings, and in here you can just try to go to other call settings, and in here you can turn on the caller ID filter. So like caller information, you can just turn it on like this. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.